Good morning, friends. Welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. First, let us check what happened in the US market yesterday. So, yesterday was the third consecutive session where we have seen Dow Jones closing in red. So, Dow Jones was down to the tune of 0.3% and S&P 500 was down to the tune of 0.6%. And the reason for the correction in the US markets were mainly spurt in the US 10-year bond yield to 5-week high at 4.1%, and this was post a very strong retail sales data which came in the US market. At the same time, hawkish commentary from Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller said that the rate hike may not come soon, however it may get delayed, and hence now market is pricing in that maybe the earlier expectation that the first rate cut will come as soon as in the March 24, it may get delayed by 2-3 months. So that is the reason we are seeing minor spurt in 10-year bond yield in the US market, and hence the correction in equity markets. Moving on to the other key indicator, so US dollar index is also trading at 1 month high at 103.4 levels. Brent crude continue to remain stable at $78 to the barrel, and there is a spurt in US VIX in the US market, volatility index in the US market. So that again is slightly negative as far as equity markets are concerned. As we speak today, Asian markets are trading mixed. So indices in Japan and South Korea are trading in green to the tune of 0.2 to 0.3%. Australian market is trading down to the tune of 0.5%. As we speak, GIFT Nifty is indicating that gap down opening today, and this is based on the expectation that today again few of the banks may open with a cut as we start the trading today. But one thing I would like to clarify, that everyone is talking about that HDFC Bank ADR is trading 8 to 9% down in the US market. However, if I convert that ADR into the Indian share price, so one ADR is equivalent to 3 HDFC Bank share in Indian equity market. And if I convert, this clearly shows that HDFC Bank may open with marginal cut today, and we need not worry that stock will open 8 to 9% down. So my expectation is that HDFC Bank will open with a minor cut and will not dent the entire market sentiment or bank nifty as such. But one has to keep in mind that as the result season pan out, we may see outperformance from the other banks such as ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank based on what are the outcome of the results. So let us check which were the key companies which have declared the numbers yesterday. So first of all, I would like to put forth Oracle Financial Services, very strong set of number. Revenue up by 26%, EBIT up by 57%. There is an expansion of EBITDA margin by 926 basis point at 46.6%, and net profit was up by 78% at 741 crore. So we may see positive reaction as far as Oracle Financial Services is concerned. Again, IIFL Finance have reported inline set of number. So revenue was up by 25%, net profit up by 29%. There is an improvement in asset quality. Gross NPA has declined Q on Q, and net NPA has also declined Q on Q to 0.9%. The company has announced interim dividend of 4 rupees per share with the record date is 25th of Jan. So again, IIFL Finance will remain in focus today. On weaker set of number, LTI Mindtree although reported inline set of number, but the commentary during the con call was very weak, and company has went on record to say that they don't see any recovery as far as demand is concerned, and recovery is still 3 to 6 months away. So to that extent, we may see today a negative reaction as far as LTI Mindtree is concerned. Happiest Mindtree, one of the mid-size IT company, they also reported inline set of number. So revenue came in at 410 crore, EBIT at 66 crore, marginally down by 3%. EBIT margin were under pressure, so 16.1% against 16.7%. Net profit at almost flat 60 crore Q on Q. That's a flat number. So again, inline set of number as far as Happiest Mind is concerned, and that stock may see a neutral reaction in the trade today. ICICI Pru Life, they have reported a muted set of numbers. So premium collection was up by only 5% at 9,928 crore. Net profit was up by only 2% at 227 crore. VNB, which is the value of new business, was down to the tune of 29%, and VNB margin declined from 33.9% in a year ago quarter to 22.8%. So a weak set of number as far as ICICI Prudential Life Insurance is concerned, and the stock may react negatively in the trade today. Now, which are the companies which are likely to report numbers today? So few large companies where the street will focus is IndusInd Bank, Polycab, Tata Communication, Jindal Stainless, Poonawalla Fincorp, Metro Brand, Finolex Industry, India Mart, Intermesh, Ramkrishna Forgings, Shopper Stop, Home First Finance, and Mastec. In terms of key news which will remain on radar, so today offer for sale for NHPC is opening. So today is the bid day for non-institutional for an institutional investor, and tomorrow, that is on 19th of Jan, the window will open for retail investor. So the floor price has been set at rupees 66 per share, which is at 10% discount to the current market price. So to that extent, stock price may react marginally negative in the trade today. And those who are a medium to long term investor are recommended to apply for NHPC in the OFS window, which will open for retail investor, that is on 19th, that is tomorrow. Adani Enterprises have signed a MOU with Maharashtra government to set up 1 gigawatt hyperscale data center at investment of 50,000 crore over the period of next 10 years. So that augurs well in medium to long term for Adani Enterprises. Nazara Tech, one of the only listed company as far as gaming business is concerned, they are planning to mobilize 250 crore via preferential issue of shares at 872 rupees per share. And this shares will be allocated to ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund and Nikhil Kamath, who is the owner of Zerodha. At the same time, the company has announced that they are going to acquire 10.8% stake in social influencer platform Cofluence Tech Private Limited for 32 crore rupees. So that's again a growth capital which the company is mobilizing, and if somebody is willing to take medium to long term investment horizon bet, then one can look at Nazara Tech also. Indiabulls Housing Finance has announced that they are going to mobilize 5,000 crore rupees via equity issue. So that's a pretty big number as far as growth capital is concerned. Again, that stock will remain under focus. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services, the recently listed company, the company has signed contract worth 200 crore rupees with Torrent Gas for implementing closed loop fleet program. So the stock will remain under focus today. Railtel Corp, the company has received an order worth 82 crore from South Central Railway in Secunderabad division. That's a small order as far as Railtel is concerned. However, the stock will remain under focus. As we all know, till the budget is over, all the railway stocks will remain under focus, and this stock can react positively in the trade today. Moving on to the next development, which is on Uniparts. So Uniparts India, one of the auto company, they have been awarded an order of $1.2 million from Dosan Bobcat North America for supply of construction equipment part. And this is a small order as far as Uniparts India is concerned. So nothing to read into it, may be neutral to minor positive reaction may be seen in Uniparts India. Keystone Realtor, the company has decided to acquire 50% stake in one of the real estate project of Ajmera. So both the stock Keystone Realtor and Ajmera Realty will remain under focus today. In terms of IPO offering, so yesterday was the last day of MediAssist Healthcare, and the issue got a very robust response with 16 times subscription on day 3. And institutional investor quota was subscribed 40 times, non-institutional investors quota was subscribed by 15 times, and retail investor quota was subscribed by 3.2 times. So very strong response as far as MediAssist Healthcare is concerned. In terms of block deals, so we have seen hand change in Jindal Saw and Precol. So first of all, Precol, so we have seen Minda Corp, which was owning 15% stake in Precol. They have offloaded their entire stake in Precol at 343.5 rupees per share. And the entire block has been acquired by many marquee funds like Nomura India Fund, Fidelity, Aditya Birla Sun Life, ICICI Pru Mutual Fund, Tata Mutual Fund, Goldman Sachs, so on and so forth. But this clearly shows that the amount which was stuck in investment in pre-call, that is getting released for Minda Corp, and this amount can be deployed for some better for a growth capital of the company. So Minda Corp is a stock which we expect that the stock can react positively in the trade today. At the same time, the hangover of a hostile acquisition in pre-call is over now with the Minda exiting the company, and we may see positive reaction in pre-call in the trade today also. In terms of Jindal Saw, we have seen that Cresta Fund has sold 18 lakh shares, while many marquee funds like Nippon India Mutual Fund, BNP Paribas, SocGen have bought the entire block of 18 lakh shares. Again, one has to keep in mind that Jindal Saw has reported very robust set of number for the December ending quarter, and we expect the stock to react positively in medium to long term. In terms of bulk deal, so we have seen selling from promoters of high-tech pipes, so to the tune of 0.8 plus 0.6, so almost 1.4% stake was offloaded by high-tech pipe in the trade yesterday. So if I have to sum up today's discussion, overall global sentiment seems to be mixed, especially from US markets. The signals are negative as of now. US bond yield has scaled new levels of 4.10%, which is almost at 5-week high. At the same time, Asian indices today are trading mixed, with Nikkei and Kospi trading in positive, whereas Australian markets are trading in red today. GIFT Nifty is indicating a kind of gap down opening in the trade today. So yesterday's selling was majorly due to the correction in the HDFC Bank stock, and the yesterday correction was almost 50% was led by HDFC Bank. So nothing to worry. Overall, broader market has not seen such a deep correction. However, in terms of fund flow, what we have seen is that foreign institutional investors have sold highest ever equity in their history. Those selling was to the tune of 10,500 crore, whereas a domestic institutional investor were net buyer to the 4,000 crore. One has to keep in mind that despite of such a massive selling in HDFC Bank, the delivery marking was humongous. So this clearly shows that at lower level there is an demand from some of the institutions who are willing to bet on HDFC Bank for a medium to long term perspective. In terms of strategy for the trading in a short to medium term, what I would suggest is that let market stabilize. Maybe 21,300, 21,400 can be one of the support level, and at that point of time one can think of accumulating quality businesses in the portfolio. In terms of banking stock, let us see how other large banks. So today, once IndusInd Bank reports their number, we may get more clarity on what is happening in the banking sector. So post that, we can accordingly shift our position and accordingly plan our strategy as far as private banks are concerned. The infrastructure, railway, defense sector, water treatment sector, stock market intermediaries, asset management companies will continue to remain under focus in short to medium term. That's all for the day. Thanks for patiently listening to us. Have a good day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.